Another day, another story. C#, pronounced C#, is a modern, object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft as part of the .NET platform. It was designed to be simple, type-safe, and scalable, and it is often used to build Windows desktop applications, web applications, and games. C# has a syntax that is similar to Java and C++, but it also includes features like garbage collection, delegates, and lambda expressions that make it more expressive and powerful. It also has a large standard library that includes a wide range of tools and APIs for working with files, databases, network protocols, and other common programming tasks. Some of the key features of C# include object-oriented programming. C# supports encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, which makes it easy to write reusable and maintainable code. Strongly typed. C# is a strongly typed language, which means that all variables must be declared with a specific data type. This helps catch errors at compile time rather than at runtime. Automatic memory management. C# uses a garbage collector to automatically free up memory that is no longer being used by the program. LINQ, Language Integrated Query, LINQ, is a feature of C# that allows developers to write queries in a familiar SQL-like syntax to retrieve and manipulate data from collections, databases, and other sources. Asynchronous programming. C# has built-in support for asynchronous programming, which allows developers to write code that can perform multiple tasks simultaneously without blocking the main thread of execution. Overall, C# is a powerful and flexible programming language that is well suited for a wide range of applications. Thanks for watching.